Hey, do you want to know my name? You know what? I want to know your name. What's your name? Okay, nothing. Well, my name is not Sistro. It's not Sistro Blue. It is deep. It's not deep blue sea. It is deep, only deep. Or Andrew, that's my name. Yeah, this is the new. Yeah, I made a last video for Team Grizzly Bear. This is TeamRapture. I changed the name. So if you want to see my 3 first video, they are on Team Grizzly Bear something. Find it up. I think you can just search on Team Grizzly Bear. You find a video. So today this is a review on the pocket pistol STI, I think. Sorry, airsoft gun pocket pistol. It stands do not shoot at any human or animal. So it's pretty good, strong. I have opened it, but I have mostly of things that you have. So what you start with? Here's something, magazine. You can put it in. I got this pretty cheap. I don't believe I got it so cheap. Yeah, I buy it. You know, I come from Norway. If you've never seen me, my before name was Sistro, but now it is deep. So just reload. It's a Springer, just gonna tell. A Springer, it's pretty cool. So let's open it. So first, when you open it, there was like plastic right here. So I did take that away. But what you got here, it's the pistol and only this here. I got them at least that. I don't know what you get when you're buying from some other side. I did just find it, I don't know. It's original, that's all I know. And it's just like that. So it got some oh god. It got something here, like text, and I think they sent, once again, there stands colt. I know those pocket pistols are colt, just the colt, so let's check it out. So all you get is the pistol, magazine, yeah, and a bag of bullets in this. You don't look at that. So yeah, I got my speed reloader because yeah, and look at this new knife I found too. Spring knife, as we call it in Norway. Spretkniv, as we call it in Norway. Oh fuck. And I got my sniper rifle. And I'm sorry about the TeamRapture video. No, the end of, or yeah, I'm changing the name to a TeamRapture video on Team Grizzly Bear. And I'm gonna tell you why. Or it's a bad. I set up a light. You probably see it's pretty light here. So, oh god. Well, so when you open it, got this metal, old plastic here. So found at the bottom. I think it's, yeah, it's plastic. So only thing I found is the magazine. The magazine is actually plastic. So you got this here, plastic, and the bottom is actually plastic, I think. I don't know. And yeah, that's all. Most metal. and the trigger is plastic actually. So yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, look at the barrel. I didn't shoot that. Get a magazine. Now what you're seeing. So you can just drag down this. Yeah, it's plastic, as I did say. I'm sorry, I'm little. It's cold out, and it comes with the iron sight. No, just yeah. It comes with the iron sight here. It's pretty. It's just a normal, yeah, like down. Yeah, here's like the up, little here, so down, there. Yeah, it's also explained in the little here, and so yeah, you know when you get to see, and a little tip. So yeah, I love pocket pistols. Always been my favorite. Cool, you just like take it here and just take it out, reload and shoot. Yeah, and so I have seen many real. I think they are so cool. Not in real, but I've seen many pictures of and just think, oh, I want like an airsoft, and I just one time I'm gonna have. And I was on, yeah, I don't know how to explain where it was, but it was in sort of place. Yeah, and I just want a cheap, a pretty cheap. I don't know how many dollars it's in. Yeah, I don't know how many dollars it's been, if I can say, but all of you is Norwegian, and yeah, it's 60 kroner, so we call it here in Norway. Oh god, yeah, and krone is, or kroner, it's called here, is money, just money, it's money, yeah, that's money in Norway, so, yeah, so let's test get it out, and we just take down this, and I like to hold it. Come on. One less bullet. Oh. Yeah. It only gets 1 second. How many bullets? How many bullets? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bullets in the magazine. So you put it in and reload, and oh my god, and you have it. Oh yeah, big guns, no, small guns. So you got it. I think I'm gonna shoot the camera. No, oh my god, I almost shoot my head off because I'm shooting. So I think that was actually all. So I just gonna, on this channel, just gonna do what I think about the gun, and but it's pretty cool. And 10 out of 1 I'm gonna do every episode. And if we're gonna get 10 out of 1, I would give this 8, because I love the gun, but you know, I think, okay, this is okay, it's plastic, but I think the trigger, I don't know, but I think it is metal. No, the trigger ain't metal, but I think at least the magazine can be metal. So that I think is bad, and I don't know about the trigger. it's plastic, and the trigger I think can be plastic. So 9 out of 10. 1 out of 10. Excuse me. I will give 8. So here we go. Got it. The pocket pistol. So it's awesome. It is. Yeah, but yeah, it is awesome. But so, like the magazine, we need a metal magazine. I think the only gun, only gun with steel magazine I have, it's the MP5, but I don't understand why, like with sniper, I don't understand the magazine is not, okay, I understand it's plastic, but on this gun, but I don't understand, yeah, on this here, it's like everything's metal, and yeah, so 8 out of 10 I give. So I think that's enough for today. So yeah, we're on the tail. So remember, my name is Deep and I like to dive. Yeah, I like to dive.